The best 5 VPNs for torrenting 2020. Ensure your internet traffic is always encrypted when you download music, films, and games by first installing one of the best torrenting VPNs on the web. Downloading torrents remains something of a risky business. But even though governments, internet service providers, and content creators are clamping down on this, it remains a hugely popular online activity, and why torrenters turn to online VPNs to help. Obviously, using torrenting websites to download music, TV shows, movies, and games has legal issues. And downloading pirated content is something we'd discourage. But there's also a real risk of falling victim to cyber attacks or exposing your personal data online. But the best torrenting VPNs ensure your internet traffic is always encrypted. Will hide your IP address and make it much faster to download large P2P files. Among many other benefits. Of course, choosing the right VPN for torrenting can be difficult as there are so many out here. So we've rounded up the best 5. When it comes to torrenting, ExpressVPN takes the crown as the best all-round VPN service. It offers a range of features that will make torrents faster and safer. Firstly, it's worth noting how fast ExpressVPN is. During our tests, we experienced some of the most speedy and reliable VPN connections we've ever reviewed. So you shouldn't run into any issues when downloading large files. You can connect to over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. And they all come with unlimited bandwidth for P2P. As for security, you won't be disappointed. ExpressVPN sports AES-256 encryption, secure server DNS, a choice of different protocols, and a zero logs policy. There's also a kill switch for both desktop and Android devices, although it's not available on iOS app. What's more, ExpressVPN allows Bitcoin payments, comes with unlimited bandwidth, and a split tunneling feature that enables users to protect torrent clients. If you ever run into any issues, you'll be happy to learn that ExpressVPN will answer any questions via a 24/7 live chat or email. There are also a ton of how-to guides available via the company's website. In terms of price, ExpressVPN is more expensive than the competition but certainly delivers. NordVPN is another best-in-class provider that puts security first, which makes it perfect for torrenting. For starters, you can choose between a Kev2, IPsec, OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP protocols, which means your connections should always be secure and you can pick out the best protocol for the task in hand. With its double VPN feature, your data will be sent through to encrypted VPN servers instead of just one in order to improve security. For extra privacy, there's support for Onion over VPN. Like many other premium VPN apps, Nord has a strict no-logs policy, but this one is verified by an outside auditor. Impressive detail. And Nord doesn't stop there. It also regularly asks third parties to analyze the security of its services and also offers a bug bounty program, whereby it'll reward anyone who finds and then reports security problems. What's more, there's P2P compatibility, but not on every server. An automatic kill switch, DNS leak protection, crypto support, and over 5,000 servers available in 59 countries. The multi-year plan offers the best bang for buck. But there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. Surfshark sure wants you to know that it, too, is serious about security and privacy, with its slogan being, "Secure your digital life." One of its headline features is CleanWeb, which will block adverts, trackers, malware, and phishing, and it's definitely useful when downloading torrents. As well as this, there's a no-logs policy, DNS leak protection, a kill switch, AES-256 GCM encryption, and a choice of different protocols. In terms of servers, there are over 1,700 to connect from, and you can use as many devices as you want with the service. Like any premium VPN app, Surfshark provides 24/7 customer support via live chat and email, with subscriptions starting at less than $2 per £2 per month. You're getting a great deal of value. CyberGhost is an excellent VPN for torrenting. What you'll love about this app is that it'll find and connect your device to a P2P server automatically. So you needn't trudge through a ton of servers to find one that supports torrents. To make things even easier, CyberGhost will turn on specific settings so that downloads are as fast and safe as possible. The VPN also opens up torrenting programs once it's been connected. We love the fact that there's a huge torrent anonymously button. So you certainly won't be worried about whether this is a good VPN for torrents. You'll benefit from a vast network of global servers, with more than 6,000 available in over 89 countries. And they provide excellent speeds and unlimited bandwidth. Other plus points include a no-logs policy, multiple protocols, DNS and IP leak protection, 256-bit AES encryption and a kill switch. Unfortunately, you can only connect up to 7 devices on a single subscription, so less than a couple on this list. But it certainly provides value for money. IPVanish is a well-rounded VPN service that is perfect for downloading torrents. From a security perspective, you're getting 256-bit AES encryption, a choice of a KEV2, OpenVPN, and L2TP IPsec VPN protocols, and a no-logs policy. For downloading torrents with this VPN, you'll be glad to learn that IPVanish sports a SOCKS5 proxy server. This will ensure your data is always kept anonymous, so your ISP or any other party won't be able to see that you're using torrents. And will also speed up your torrent downloads. What's more, you can connect to over 1,500 global servers, are provided with unlimited bandwidth and can access 24/7 support if you ever have any queries. Subscriptions are pretty expensive, although there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. And to add value, at the time of writing you'll also get a free cloud storage subscription. 2. Want the ideal VPN for your mobile phone? Then check out guides to the best iPhone VPN and Android VPN. If you're using torrenting sites to download music, videos and games, investing in a premium torrenting VPN is a no-brainer. Because they hide your IP address, you can browse the web anonymously and don't have to worry about third parties following your every move online. As a result, ISPs won't be able to see that you've been torrenting and consequently throttle your connection. What's more, a VPN will ensure your internet traffic isn't left exposed. So hackers won't be able to harvest your personal data or hack your devices. Without a VPN app, it's a lot easier for ISPs to detect whether you're downloading torrents. And that's not something you want to risk, as they might intentionally slow down your internet connection or you could be disconnected and fined. If you're using a torrenting website and haven't installed a VPN service, your ISP will likely become suspicious of changes in your internet usage and come to the conclusion that you've been torrenting. Also, the torrenting provider will be able to see your IP address. So one way or another, this information will probably make its way to your ISP. Text source, t3.com.